had one in 2025 fall. Bro, we got a couple new folks coming this time, so yeah, get ready for the adventure. Get ready for the adventure. Are you filming too, buddy?
I'm filming too, yes sir!
Hey, hello. You were filming when I was there? I was filming. Oh my god, this guy always late, bro. I know you sassy, boy.
Ah, he's touching me.
Cheers, Nick.
Back me up here for the video. Oh shit.
Oh, for the video.
Oh, I'm busy, man. I gotta make sure.
Oh, bro.
It's literally all 86s and one GR Corolla. This is gonna be a sick little cruise thing. So right now we're cruising up to the cottage trip. I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is essentially why I bought the car. Oh my god, that car's so loud. It's so much fun. I can't wait. I did have to raise the car a little bit a few days ago because it was rubbing pretty bad on turns. So I'm pretty sure I dialed it in properly now. So we'll see how it does. First stop. Damn, the reds are nice. Yes, sir.
Hello, hello, hello. There you go. Everybody go to this guy right here. Check out this motherfucking store right here. You see this shit? You go here. Oh shit. Oh shit. You go right here.
Follow him. Follow me.
Hanson_trend. And you want to see all the behind the.
Are you working?
Yeah.
You work? Damn. Okay.
Sweaty, man.
Hi. We're like an hour into the drive. So far so good. Car's doing great. Everyone's car is good. All right. After the break, took a quick little piss. Let's head up to the cottage. Let's go. All right, so we got all the cars lined up. We made it to the cottage. Are you excited? Are you excited?
I'm trying to get a good pick, man.
Okay. Dude, you're missing the Tom's badge. Where'd the Tom's badge go? Sorry, where's the aim game one?
Aim game style.
Where's the aim game style? Where's the badge? Where's the badge?
I'm not a fraudster, okay, guys? I run reps, okay, and I'm not proud of it, but
this is real aim game. What are you talking about?
this is fake.
This is real.
This is Farben Kyber.
Oh, it survived the drive here. It did. It did survive.
Well, I didn't hit anything, so.
You have a banana? Where'd you get the banana from?
Pond Kitty.
Oh. You struggling? Okay, let me put stuff inside. We are at the cottage. All the cars are parked there. This is my room where I'll be staying at. It's nice and cold in here, thank God. I don't even see my car, dude. Fuck you.
Bro, your car right there.
I want to blur out John's car.
Oh, you guys didn't eat yet?
No, we're gonna start. We're gonna start soon.
Sure. Hot pot. Sure. Wait, Gabe, you going outside?
Okay. All right, It's day 3. Yesterday it rained, so we couldn't drive. Now what are we doing, Hanson?
Yeah, yesterday unfortunately our ideal plan was to drive on Saturday, but it was raining, so we enjoyed some time in the pool afterwards. But today, day 3, Sunday, we're gonna be taking out all the cars today. It's not gonna be the same toll gate route that we had last time where there's gonna be a lot of turns and twisties, but it's gonna be more of a senior route. So I'll see you when we get there.
Hanson.
What is up, guys? We just finished half of our drive so far. My boy Brandon here mounted my DJ Action 6. That shit fell 5 minutes went into the toll gate, basically. did a hard left and then it dropped, boom, and then my fucking wiper started going on. And then he put it back on. So
it should be better now. It should be better now.
It should be good. Yo, I didn't even check if it was a good thing yet.
That's pretty fun. And look at the view. Hopefully you guys can see this. Skyline Park. Okay, that's pretty sick. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you are a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I didn't record the last bit of our cottage trip because honestly, I was just enjoying the vibes. I want to leave you with one thing. You don't need a fast car to enjoy cars. It's so easy to get caught up in chasing high horsepower builds, expensive builds, comparing your car to everyone online. But honestly, none of that mattered this weekend. We all have BRZs and 8.6s, 200 horsepower cars that just feel so good to drive. Go out, make some memories, drive your car, and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. My name is Brandon, aka Brandflakes, and as always, drive safe.